my friends. Tonight, I don't know how it will come, but we are going to cook some pasta with zucchini Gianluca style. We're moored in Santa Maria di Leuca, and we are 5 persons. And our ingredients are, well, for 5 people, we have garlic, 3 eggs, 4 zucchini, pecorino cheese, and provolone cheese. Now we're going to scrape half and half the pecorino cheese and the provolone cheese with the eggs. The eggs, not whole egg, but 2 red of the eggs and 1 whole egg. And then I'm going to fry the zucchini. Now we cut the zucchini, very thin slices. Now we fry garlic and zucchini. When the oil is well hot, we put the zucchini. The water is going. This is the cream made with double cheese, Parmesan or pecorino and provolone, and the eggs, okay? Nice cream, scrambled egg and cheese. Zucchini are going. And the egg cream, we added basil and mint. Then we will put the pasta inside here. Pasta is in the water. Here we have the cream and the zucchini.
Sta creando.
Ok, ok, pasta e zucchini. Vai! Ah, occhio che scotta, cazzo!
Poi passami quello che manca da qua.
Che manca? Il vino?
Il vino, un po' d'acqua.
Serving Italian style.